More information coming in. The inside track on Central Team's assessment of COVID outbreak in Mumbai. Worli-Kolewada situation has improved. Containment zone protocol was implemented in much better manner. Dharavi, Govandi remains concerns looking at the size of the slum, density of the population, and this situation can't be compared with other areas. Team had a meeting, they'd already had a meeting with the Maharashtra Health Minister and the health officials. They've met with Uddhav Thackeray. Medical infrastructure is sound, is what has been reported, but the situation is quite dynamic for them to handle. Here's a situation that India Today brings to you, breaking it down, the inside track on the Central Team's assessment of the COVID outbreak in Mumbai, particularly where they've observed Worli-Kolewada situation has improved. Containment zone protocol was implemented in a much better manner. Dharavi, Govandi remains to be a concern areas, looking at the size and the density of the population. And of course, the teams had a meeting with Maharashtra health ministers, health officials, met with Uddhav Thackeray as well, saying that the medical infrastructure is sound, but the situation is quite large at hand to handle. Let's quickly go over to our reporters joining us on field. Pankaj Upadhyay joining us and Sahil Joshi. Sahil, over to you, Sahil. We're looking at teams from the centre assessing the situation on ground in Maharashtra. A few teams in Mumbai, few teams in Pune. So far, what have they assessed?
There are two teams which has been sent by the central government to assess the situation in Mumbai and Pune specifically, because these two cities remains to be in red zone even after 30-35 days of lockdown. Mumbai specifically remains to be the major concern because of the density of the population and enormity of the situation at this point of time. The number of cases are increasing every day. The size of the number of cases increasing is not going down at this point of time. So the team of 5 members each have visited Mumbai and Pune as well. Today the central team will be visiting Dharavi, which remains to be a concern, as as my sources are telling me from the central team. They had visited the Kasturba Hospital, which is Institute of Virology, where the first treatments began, and nearly 100 patients have been discharged from this particular hospital. They also visited Worli-Kolewada, which was the first declared containment zone in Mumbai. The central team has found that the containment guidelines were quite issued and implemented in quite a better way in Worli-Kolewada, and that is the reason why it looks like that the Worli-Kolewada is on the improvement path. The number of cases every day are decreasing from this particular area, but their major concern remains to be the areas like Dharavi and Govandi, which are...
Speaking of Dharavi, Sahil, we have Pankaj Upadhyay right there at Dharavi, where central teams are currently on the spot. Let's see what he has. Pankaj, do bring us through what's going on. Dharavi, we understand they've deemed as a populated area. It's quite a dynamic situation for them to handle.
Yes, I'm in the Dharavi area, one of the most critical areas in Mumbai. And just a few seconds back, the State Health Minister, Mr. Rajesh Tope, along with some members of the central team, which has been here for the last half an hour, taking details from the various officials of the BMC and the police officials as to what the ground preparations has been, have now gone on a tour of the Dharavi area. Now, I'm at the exact spot where the central team had taken the details from the BMC officials. Now, what are the preparations on ground zero? Since the entire area has been sealed, how are the people being catered to? How is door-to-door survey being conducted at this point of time? Thermal screening had been made mandatory for this area. How is that going through? What are the precautions that the people are taking? Since social distancing, maintaining social distancing is a big challenge in this area, because in the slums and in small hutments, there are 8 to 10 people who stay.
Are we seeing officials right behind you, Pankaj? Would you be able to show us what's happening right behind?
Well, as I said, the officials have just moved out. It would not be safe for us to be following them in the small lanes and by lanes. But there are at least 5 members of the interministerial central team, along with the state health minister Rajesh Tope. There are Mumbai police officials and the BMC officials who are accompanying the central team. Mind you, as I was saying, the critical details as to what has been the preparedness on ground zero, what are the measures that have been taken by the state government here. This is the largest slum of Asia and the biggest concern of not just the state government, but also
Absolutely.
of the municipal corporation as well. On the basis of the details that will be provided by the government and the BMC here, these members are going to form a final report. In fact, even as I see, the state health minister has just returned here after inspecting the entire area. Now, these are the officials, as you are seeing on the screen, who've just taken a round of the Dharavi area. As I was saying, Dharavi remains to be one of the most critical
Absolutely.
areas in
Pankaj,
Mumbai.
you please do
And
stay
lastly-
safe yourself. We know that central teams are currently inspecting those areas. They're trying to find details of preparedness and what are the facilities that are given to these areas if all is under control. Teams in Mumbai and Pune looking out.